Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have a reasonably priced house for you today. This lovely, well-maintained, fully grilled 3-bed, 2-bath house is located in Stuart Castle, Duncan, Trelawney. The house has indoor laundry space for washer and dryer. The outdoor has a storage shed and a kennel for 4 dogs. The large yard has mango trees at the front and back. The driveway is beautifully tiled with a grill gate at the entrance and the yard is fully fenced in. The inside has a spacious kitchen, large master suite, and 2 other rooms of good size. There is a large veranda at the front that is fully grilled, and there are schools, church, shops, and supermarkets in close proximity. The land area is 16,873 square feet, and the price on this house is set at Jamaican 18 million or US $115,000. Now, let's take a look at this house, and please leave a comment and let us hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.